In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Ci.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. First is check your system info. Type, like your system type. So search for system information on your Windows 11 and then note your system type. Open a browser and then simply search for the missing DLL file and put download. Hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and click the download button corresponding to your system type and wait for that to be downloaded into your Windows. Once downloaded, click on the folder icon. Right click and then select extract all. Click on extract. Copy the DLL file, right click, select copy. Go to this PC on the left pane, double click on the Windows C drive. Locate the Windows folder, so double click. Scroll down and look for the System32 folder. So if you're a 64-bit system type of Windows, go to System32. If you're a 32-bit, go to SYSWOW64. Right-click and then select Paste. Replace the file in the destination. And after doing so, do not forget to restart your Windows. Right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Then open the browser again for the next method and simply search for Visual C++ Redistributable and hit Enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and click the link corresponding to your system type to download and install the Visual C++. So once the link has been downloaded, simply double click on that and install that into your Windows. So that's it, and I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.